Welcome to Top Dog Web Design's videos. In this video, we would like to introduce you to our latest product, which we have created for the dog trial world. We call it PawPulse. PawPulse syncs handlers, exhibitors, trial chairs, secretaries, stewards, and starters into real time, making trials smoother, safer, and more fun. PawPulse will help you do several things for your trials. First of all, it's an online check-in system with messaging, allowing people to log in and check in to their trials for that day. We can automatically open check-ins at a certain time in the morning or afternoon and turn them off at an appropriate time as determined by the club. So the check-in procedure will allow you to check your dogs in, withdraw, send a message to starters. Let's take a look at a basic function to check in on your phone. When you go to PawPulse, you will see this screen and you'll see the menu up in the upper left-hand corner. You can click on the menu and a slider will open and you will see all trials listed. If a trial is not available to check in, you won't be able to actually use it. So we're going to select trial 1 and your phone will bring this list, a very similar list to this, to its screen. And it will, in this case, it's trial 1, and you will be able to see the password, the call name, the status, the trial number, and the element, and the level within the element, the breed, and there's a place for you to leave a message. So let's say that you need to check your dog in. So you simply click on the edit key on the screen and it will bring it up to your phone. Takes a second. And you can simply click on the status and change it to whatever you desire it to be. Maybe it's you're going to check in, so we'll click check in and you will submit it. You can also delete any previous message or update a message for your dog at this specific element and class. And all you do is click submit and the system will go out and save that record for you. And when it's finished, it will come back and you'll see the status change. We changed it to check in, and then you can click on or touch the back button and it will take you back to the listings for that specific element in trial. And we're actually in trial 1 for all of this, and we're showing all of the entries for trial 1, and they will be listed in order of element. Then you can hover over the menu again, and if you're all finished, you can simply click the home key and it will return you to our main system or the PawPulse screen, which brings you back to here. So this is a very elementary initial introduction to PawPulse for Top Dog Web Designs. We're going to be adding several other features to this system, including the ability, for example, for a professional handler to be able to list all the dogs that he has or she has entered in the trial, so they can go on one screen and check them all in one place rather than having to go to multiple areas within the system to check the dogs in. We're also looking at the ability to flash messages to individuals' phones to let you know, for example, that there's 5 dogs ahead of you in your upcoming trial in Ring 1, for example, and then we're going to do several other things. We will also have the ability for the public to go online, and if you give them the information, they'll be able to see all the dogs and see how your dog's doing, or all of your dogs are doing at the trials. So we hope this will be a great system for you to use to keep track of what's going on in the rings and eliminate that huge group of people all trying to check in at the same time, and let them do it remotely from wherever they are. So we want to thank you for taking your time to watch this video. We want your suggestions, so please send them to us at suggestions@topdogwebdesigns.com. So thank you so much once again for watching. We hope you have a great day.